Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a golf cart tire. First, park on level ground and set the brake, then disconnect the battery to avoid surprises. Gather tools: jack, lug wrench, torque wrench, replacement tire, and wheel chocks. Loosen lug nuts slightly before jacking, lift the cart safely, and remove the wheel. Keep tools organized and follow torque specs when reinstalling the tire for safe. Now I will explain removing the wheel step by step to keep things smooth and safe. After loosening lug nuts, position wheel chocks and lift at the recommended point until the tire clears the ground. Finish removing lug nuts and carefully pull the wheel off, watching for brake components or hubcaps. Inspect studs, bearings, and seals for damage or corrosion before installing the new tire to ensure longevity and safe operation. Next, I will help you install the new tire confidently and correctly, step by step. Align the wheel on the hub and thread lug nuts by hand so threads stay true. Lower the cart so the wheel touches the ground, then torque lug nuts in a star pattern to the recommended spec. Inflate the tire to the listed PSI, recheck lug torque after a short test drive, and store tools safely when finished.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.